And this is the last class for these laws of indices. And here we are going to solve more questions related to laws of indices, okay? And it goes like this. Look here. Simplify one. Power and whole power. This 3 and 2 we have to multiply. And it will be a to the power 3 into 2, that means 6. Okay, this 2 to the power it will be 2 to the power 3 into 2. Okay, if there is base 2, 2 power 3 and whole power 2, then this 3 and 2 will be multiplied. Okay, and here 2 to the power became 3 into 2, then 2 power 6. And similarly we have to solve other questions also. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
And similarly this one, how you will solve this question number 2? 4 to the power 1
They're
by
taking
3.
LCM of 6 and 1.
First of all, you will multiply,
And then
not LCM. We have to multiply 1 by 3 and 6. The power and whole power will multiply, then it will be 3 to the 6. And it will be 4 square. 4 square it will be 16. 4 for the 16. Same it will be in the next one. Minus 1 will multiply with 1 by 3, then 64. 64 means you can write 4 cube. 64 means you can write there 4 cube. Then that 3 and this 3 will be cancelled, and you have to write answer in positive power, then you have to take it down. Okay, to make it positive we have to take that in down one, denominator one, and its power will be positive. Okay,
Okay, sir.
now next one, look here. In 27 by 8 whole power minus 1 by 3, then it's minus 1 by 3, then 27 means 3 cube, and 2 cube means 8. And look, power, this whole power is 3, that will 3 cancel, then it will be 3 by 2 whole power minus 1. As I told you, we have to change the numerator into denominator, and denominator goes in place of numerator, then this negative power will be changed to positive. Okay, this negative power will be changed to positive. Similarly, you have to solve this one. Okay, it will now be 2 by 3. Answer will be 2 by 3. Now see here another example. Another example also you have to do this example. This classwork also you have to solve by the same one. Okay, as I have shown this example. Now let's see another one. What will you do here? 2 cube and 4 square. 4 square means you can write 2 square, and there is already square 1 power 2. Then power and power will be whole power will multiplied. And similarly 8 means 2 cube, then there is 2 also. 3 into 2. Okay. Then 2 cube into 2 power 4. That will be okay. 3 and 4 this power added, then 2 power 7. And 2 power 7, 7 to the 14 became now 14, and this we have to subtract. Okay, then 14 minus 6 it will come 2 power 8. Okay, like this you have to solve this class work one. Okay, similar process. Now I am showing you next one. You can take a screenshot also. And see here, and this is the number 10. And look, before solving, let's try to convert. Okay, this is the base in lowest base. In 4 you can write 2 square. In 8 you can write 2 cube. 8 you can write 2 cube. And power and whole power will be multiplied. Okay, and it will be what here, look here. 2 3s are 6, and 2 multiplied with n, this is minus 2n, and all the bases are same. And write only one base, and their power will be added, and this minus, that's why it is kept in bracket. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 minus 9 will be 2, and 2n minus 2n cancel, and it will be remain 2 square only, that means 4. It means it's 4. Okay, children? Okay, Nimesh?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Similarly, you have to solve other also. This one also, all the bases are same, then power will be added. Power will be added. If base write only 1, 5. Now here, simplify this question, look here. Numerator is base same, look here, we have to multiply and add the power. And down on we have to multiply this power and whole power. And it will be like this. Upper one, all the powers are added. Down is power and whole power is multiplied. Now m plus m is 2m, n plus n is 2n, and 2 minus 2 is 0. Then down on power goes up and it will be minus. And x to the power 0 it will be. X to the power 0 means 1. Its value is 1. Answer like this. Okay? Okay, Askar?
Okay, sir.
You understood this process?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's see next one. Okay, next one question. Here, look here. Here is power and whole power. This power and whole power will be multiplied. Then it will be P will multiply with R also. Minus Q will multiply with also R also. Like this, remove the bracket and by multiplying this power and whole power. Okay. And all the bases are same. Then we have to add the power. Then it will be 0 and x to the power 0 means 1. Similarly, you can solve this classwork also. Can you solve? I am giving you some time, okay? I am giving you 2 minutes time to solve this classwork. And please tell me the answer. Just same as like this classwork. What I showed just now, okay? This one. This classwork is same as like this, okay? Simplify this. I just explained here just above this one. Please solve, okay, this also by the same process. And tell me its answer. Are you solving, Nimesh? Aska, are you solving?
Yes, sir. I'm solving.
Okay, please continue.
One.
Answer is
Sir,
1.
answer
Very
is
good.
1.
Answer is 1. You multiplied A and B minus C. B multiplied with C minus A. C
Yes,
multiplied with
sir.
A minus B. Very good. Now, I am proceeding to the next one. Here, this A minus B will multiply with A plus B. When A minus B multiply with A plus B, you know it is in formula. It will be A square minus B square. Right? B minus C multiply with B
Yes,
plus C,
sir.
B square minus C square. And when you multiply C minus A with C plus A, it will be also C square minus A square. Then, its solution will be like this. It's E square, okay? It looks like 2, but it's square here, okay? You have to understand that. And A square minus B square and A square, look here. B square minus C square and C square minus A square, they all will be added and its power will come 0 and its value will be 1. Have you understood, children?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nimesh has given yes. Okay, very good. Sigma, have you done, Anim?
Yes, sir.
Good. Let's do next question. Look here. This when you multiply this a minus b with this a square plus ab plus b square, okay? When you multiply a minus b with a square plus ab plus b square, it is in the formula form. It is the formula. It is the formula of what? Do you know? A cube
A
minus
plus
b
B whole
cube.
square.
No, a cube minus b cube. Okay. It is the formula of a cube minus b cube. A minus b, when you multiply with a square plus ab plus b square, it will be like this. Look here. When you multiply this power with this power, it will be a cube minus b cube. Second one, it will be b cube minus c cube, and third one, it will be c cube minus a cube. And all the bases are same. All the bases are same, then add them and its power will come 0. And x to the power 0 means its value will be 1. Have you understood, children, this process?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look here. Proceed to the next one. What will you do in this question? We have to numerator 1 first and denominator 1. Okay, next time. And all the powers will be added in numerator and open the bracket in denominator 1. When you open the bracket, this power and this whole power will be multiplied. And x to the power, it will be 2a plus 2b plus 2c. And when it goes up, it will be minus. And we know that 2a plus 2b plus 2c minus 2a plus 2b plus 2c means it's 0. X to the power 0 means 1. Have you understood, children, this process? This question solution?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
sir.
Okay. Do you need to note down? Or you can take the screenshot also.
Yes, sir. I take screenshot.
Just screenshot.
Okay. Then see the next one. Okay, I am giving you time, okay, to solve this question. You know that when you multiply a minus b with a plus b, what will come?
A square minus B
square.
Very good. Absolutely right. A square minus b square. And when you multiply with b minus c with b plus c, what will you get?
B square minus
B
C
square
square.
minus C square.
Absolutely right. And when you multiply c minus a with c plus a, what will you get?
C square minus
C
A
square
square.
minus A square.
Very good, very good. Then all the powers will be added and its answer will come x to the power 0 means 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm proceeding to the next slide. Okay, and see here. Here we have to put the given values in the given expression. Okay, 4 to the power x. In place of x, question is telling to put the value of x2. Then it will be 4 to the power.
2.
2.
Yes, 4 to the power 2 means 4
16,
square.
sir.
It will be 16. Very good. Now I am proceeding to the next question. Can you tell the answer of this one, classwork?
27. 27.
Very good, very good. And next one, see this C number, and similarly you can solve other also. You have to
Okay, sir.
substitute the given values, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, Aska?
Okay, sir.
Okay. And now here, we have to substitute the value of x 10 and y value is 5. Then it will be like this. 10 square plus 5 square down 10 minus 5, it will be 100 plus 25 by 5, then 125 by 5, and it will be 25 answer. Here we have to substitute the given values, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now look here, I am showing you next one. Here also we have to substitute the given value, this x value 10, y value 5, okay?
Okay, sir.
Now I am proceeding to the next question. Look at next one. Here, in this question, we have to put the value of x 2 to the power a, y value 2 to the power b. And it will be like this. 2 to the power a, x value, then b remains same. Y value is minus, y value, look at y value is 2 to the power b and its power is minus a. Open the bracket, will be 2 to the power ab and a 2 to the power minus ab. Then power will be added and it is 2 to the power 0 and its value is 1. Have you understood, children, this one process?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now let's see the
Yes,
next
sir.
example. And I am telling you to solve this. And I want to check your solution and my solution is same or not. Your answer and my answer is same, and I want to check. I am waiting for the 2 minutes for its solution. Let's do, children. Okay, Aska, Sigma,
Okay, sir.
Nimesh, do them.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do it, please. Susan, I hope you are solving there.
Yes, sir.
Susana, Rasana, Avilasa, please solve and tell me the answer. Saika, Please.
Sir, doing.
Okay, please continue. Yes, please. Have you got the answer? Rosa Morgan, are you doing Nanu?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please. Proceed it. And find its answer. And share your answer with me. What will be the answer of this question?
Sir, 80/3.
Okay, have you solved like this?
Sir, 80/3.
Now check your solution. Check your solution. Have you kept the values? Have you substitute the value like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Then
sir.
then you will get this much. And you have to
Yes, sir.
subtract. Well, this is division one. Up and down is division one. Numerator divided by denominator and subtract the power. Okay? Then you will get 5 to the power 1, 3 to the power minus 1 and 4 to the power 2. And you know, we should write this negative power down, then it will be positive. Right? When 3 to the power minus 1
Yes,
goes
sir.
down, it will be positive. Then 16 5s are 80, then 80 by 3. Have you got this answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Absolutely
sir.
right. Absolutely right. Now, this assignment also I want to tell you to solve now. How much you will get the answer? Please tell me. Can you tell what will be the first step? What will you do?
So multiply xa by b minus c.
Yeah, a multiply with b minus c, then it will be ab minus ac, right?
C. Yes,
And
sir.
second one, b will multiply with c minus a, then it will be bc minus ab. And third one,
Yes,
c
sir.
multiply with a minus b, then it will be ca minus cb also you can write, or bc also you can write. And all the powers will be added, then also you will get 0, then x power 0 equals to 1. Very good. And how to do this one I have already shown in classwork activities one. In today's classwork, I am going from the beginning one. Do you have any difficulties, any questions to learn?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir.
Okay, look here, I want to show you from the beginning again. Wherever you have difficulties, okay, you can tell me, sir, I have difficulties in this one. Then I will explain again there. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
I am starting from the very beginning one. in this question, anywhere difficulty? Wherever you have failed, okay, difficult, please tell me, okay? I will explain that. In this question, this we have to, okay, convert the base into lowest one, and if there's same base, then we have to, while multiplying, we have to add the power, then answer comes, okay? Same thing we have to apply for these other questions also. Here also we did numerator and denominator, and while multiplying we have to add only one base and add the power. Here power and whole power multiply. Okay, it comes like this: x to the power 0 equals to 1. Here power and whole powers are multiplied, and when you add all the powers it will be 0 and its value is 1. X to the power 0 means 1. Same thing we have to apply for this classwork also. And here also we multiplied power and whole power. X to the power 0 came, its value also 1. Here this is power and whole power. When you multiply it, it's in formula of a cube minus b cube. Then when you add them, it will be 0. X to the power 0, that means also 1. Here we did the power, okay, this numerator and denominator separate, okay. Then base same, then while dividing we have to subtract the power. X to the power 0 means 1. And here also you did a minus b, a plus b multiply a square minus b square. Same thing you have to do for other also. Power added while multiplying. And here we substitute the given value in the given expression, and we will get the values of this given expression. Same thing we did here, we substitute the value, okay, given values, then we get the values, okay, here. And next one, here we substitute the given values, okay, and we'll get the value 1, okay. Same thing we applied here also, you did it, okay, and everybody have done correctly, okay, that you got the answer 80/3,
Yes, sir.
okay. And here this assignment also I explained and you also told, okay. And today this much only. Stay safe, healthy and happy, and thank you very much, and you have taken part, okay, and in today's class, okay. And today this much only, and please keep practicing mathematics, okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir.
Okay, bye bye children.
Bye-bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.